Class 10, Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volumes, Module 1. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about surface area of a combination of solids. Now listen carefully. 9th class we have discussed all the solids and their surface areas and also volumes. So the first solid is which one? Cuboid and cube. Okay. So the lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2LH plus 2BH. Or we can take the common factor as 2H, then 2 into L plus B into H, which is equal to what? The perimeter of the base into height. Now the total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 4a square, then total surface area of the cube is equal to 6a square. Then volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. If side is equal to A cube is there. Now the next solid is cylinder. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. That is what? Perimeter of the base into height. Now the total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Now volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Next solid is cone. So we know cone having two heights. One is a slant height and the other one is a perpendicular height h. So to find out the slant height, L is equal to root of h square plus r square using the Pythagoras property. Now the curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi r L and total surface area of the cone is equal to pi r L plus pi r square. So we can take a pi r as a common, remaining L plus r. Next one, volume of the cone. Equation 1 by 3 pi r square h. The last solid is a sphere and also a hemisphere. So surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square and total surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Then volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and at last the volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the equations. Now we can move to the problems. So our heading is what? Combination, surface area of the combination of solid is there. So here two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So if two cubes are joined together, it will become a cuboid. We need to find out the surface area of the cuboid. So first, given the volume of the cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. So side of the cube is equal to what? Cube root of 64, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now that cubes are joined together. So the length of the resulting cuboid is what? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now surface area, total surface area equation is what? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 8 plus 4 into 4. So L is equal to what? 4 plus 4 become 8. All the other breadth and height are same. Now which is equal to what? 2 into 32 plus 16, which is equal to 2 into 80 is 160 centimeter square. So listen carefully, this one is simple and also important one. Now the next one. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So listen carefully the figure. The radius is equal to 7 since the diameter is 14 centimeter. Now height of the cylindrical portion. So cylindrical portion height is what? Total height is 13 and also what? Then 7 is what? The height of that cylindrical portion. Okay. So uh, when you subtract the height of the cylindrical portion is equal to what? 13 minus 7. So 7 is which one? The diameter is 14 centimeter. So radius of the hemisphere is what? 7. So you need to subtract that. 13 total minus the 7 radius of that hemispherical portion. So what we get? The height of that cylindrical portion, which is 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Now area of the curved surface of the cylindrical portion. So separately we can take CSA of the cylindrical portion, which is equal to what? 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius what? Cylindrical portion radius is equal to same. Diameter 14, radius is what? 7 into height is equal to 60, which is equal to 264. That is 7 and 7 are cancelled. Remaining all that we need to multiply. Then area of the curve of hemispherical portion, CSA of the hemispherical portion is equal to what? 2 pi r square. So 2 pi into radius is what? 7. 2 pi into 7 into 7. When you cancel 7 and 7, after that multiplied, what we get? 308 centimeter square. At last, the total surface area is equal to what? 264 plus 308, which is equal to 572 centimeter square. Now the third question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. Listen, a toy is in the form of a cone of height radius 3.5 centimeter, mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Now the radius of the cone 3.5, then height of the cone is equal to what? Total 15.5 minus 3.5, which is the radius of the hemispherical portion. So what we get? 12 centimeter when you subtract it. Now the slant height of the cone. So what is the equation of slant height? Root of x square plus r square. So 12 square plus 3.5 square, which is 144 plus 12.25. When you add it, 156.25. Now you need to find out the square root using long division method that you have studied in the 8th class. Now curved surface area of the cone. What is the equation? Pi RL. So pi value 22 by 7 into radius 3.5 into L is equal to what? 12.5. So 7 and 3.5 are cancelled 0.5 times. Then multiply all that. 137.5 centimeter square. Now curved surface area of the hemispherical portion is equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 square, which is equal to 77 centimeter square. Hence, the total surface area is equal to 137.5 plus 77, which is equal to 314.5 centimeter square. So, instead of meter square, not centimeter square is there. Okay, all the other and the same unit, centimeter. So, please change it. Now, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. Important question this one. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. Now a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. So side of the cubical block is 7. Then the radius of the hemisphere is equal to what? That 7 by 2. The side of the cubical block is same as the diameter. So radius of the hemisphere is equal to what? 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then the total surface area of the solid is equal to total surface area of the cube minus area of the base of the hemisphere, that we need to avoid it, plus what? Curved surface area of the hemisphere. So what? Total surface area is equal to 6 into 7 square, total surface area of the cube, minus area of the base of the hemisphere. So pi r square. So pi 3.5, the whole square you need to subtract. Plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square, 2 pi into 3.5 square. So when you multiply it, what we get at last? Total surface area is equal to 332.465 centimeters square. Now, the next question, a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. So, listen that condition, diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So, consider the diagram. Listen. It is given that a hemisphere of radius L by 2, so diameter is L, so radius is what? L by 2, is cut out from the top face of a cuboidal wooden block. Therefore, surface area of the remaining solid is equal to surface area of the cuboidal box whose each edge is of length L, minus area of the top of the hemispherical part. So, area of the top portion of the hemispherical part plus curved surface area of the hemispherical part. So, what is surface area of the cuboidal box? 6L square minus area of the top of the hemisphere, which is a circle in shape. So, minus pi r square plus curved surface area of the hemispherical what? 2 pi r square. Now 6L square minus pi into radius is what? L by 2 the whole square plus 2 pi into L by 2 the whole square. So 6L square minus pi L square by 4 plus pi L square, listen, pi L square by 4 into 2 is also there. So cancelled, then remaining what? Pi L square by 2. Now we can take L square by 4 as a common factor, take LCM 4. So when you cross multiplies, 24 plus minus 2 pi plus pi become, minus pi plus 2 pi is equal to what? Pi become. So L square by 4 is a common factor, remaining 24 plus pi unit square is there. Now the next question, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find the surface area. So the base diameter of the hemisphere is 5 millimeter. The radius of the hemisphere is what? 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5 millimeter. Since the diameter is 5, radius 5 by 2. The height of the hemisphere is 2.5. So the height is same as what? The radius itself. Now the total height of the hemisphere is what? Two side hemisphere is there. So 2.5 into 2 is equal to what? 5 millimeter. The height of the cylinder is equal to total 14 minus that 5 is equal to 9 millimeter. So surface area of the cylindrical portion is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi into radius is 2.5 into h is what? 9. So what? When you multiply it, 1.42 millimeters square. Now curved surface area of one hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 pi into 2.5 square. When you multiply it, 39.28 millimeters square is the answer. Now CSA of the two hemispheres is what? Multiplied by 2. So which is equal to 78.56 millimeters square. Now the total surface area of the capsule is equal to what? 141.42 plus here 78.56. When you add it, what? 219.98 millimeters square. So the approximate surface area of the capsule is 219.98 millimeter square. Now the next one, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Now the important condition is not that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. So listen, the height of the cylindrical portion is 2.1 meter. The diameter of the cylindrical part is 4 meter. Then the radius of the cylindrical part is what? 2 meter. Slant height of the conical part 2.8. So area of the canvas is equal to what? CSA of the conical part plus CSA of the cylindrical part, which is equal to pi RL plus 2 pi RH. So pi into radius what? 2 into L is 2.8 plus 2 pi into R radius is 2 into H is what? 2.1. Now 2 pi can take common, remaining 2.8 plus 4.2 is there. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into add it, 2.8 plus 4.2 is equal to 7. Cancel 7 and 7, 2 into 22 is equal to 44. Now cost of 1 meter square of canvas is 500 rupees. So cost of 44 meter square of canvas is what? 44 into 500 is equal to 22,000 rupees. Therefore, it will cost 22,000 rupees for making such a tent. Clear? Now, next one. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.5 centimeter and diameter is 1.5 centimeter. A conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Now listen, the height of the conical part is equal to the height of the cylindrical part. Okay, so listen carefully, it is clear in the figure, which is equal to 2.4 centimeter. The diameter of the cylindrical part is 1.4 centimeter. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. So 1.4 by 2 is equal to 0.7. Slant height of the conical part is equal to square root of r square plus x square, which is equal to 0.7 square plus 2.4 square. That is 0.49 plus 5.76 is equal to 6.25. So its square root is what? 2.5. Now the total surface area of the remaining solid is equal to CSA of the cylindrical part plus CSA of the conical part plus area of the cylindrical base. Once more listen, CSA of the cylindrical part plus CSA of the conical part plus area of the cylindrical base. Okay, now 2 pi RH is what? CSA of cylindrical part plus CSA of conical part pi RL plus area of the cylindrical base is what? Pi r square. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius 0.7 into 2.4 plus pi RL by 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2.5 plus pi 22 by 7 into r square 0.7 into 0.7. Now 0.7 and 7 are cancelled, multiply the remaining, then at last what we get? 17.60 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square is 18 centimeter square, which is a rounded number. Now the last question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. So height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter. Radius of the base is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So total surface area of the article is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into surface area of a hemisphere. So that is what equation? Curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi RH plus 2 into surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r common factor remaining x plus 2r. So 2 into substitute 22 by 7. Pi value then radius 3.5 into h 10 plus 2r 2 into 3.5. So 7 and 3.5 are cancelled. At last when we multiply and add it, what we get? 374 centimeters square. So clear, students? Thank you.